Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you'll need to know about the Style Showdown update. So on the update, we got this like super cute coat. There's two toggles on this one, a short one and a long one. I also got this fur coat, this skirt, as well as these shoes. You do need to play a few rounds to earn this one. There's also a few new toggles on a lot of outfits, and obviously you get this super cool prize once you have finished once you've won 3 Style Showdown rounds. So first you get the gloves, and then the headpiece, and then the dress itself. I think this is new. Like, these are new. Like, a lot of things are obviously going to be new. There's not much in the VIP section that is new. Well, I don't think there's any that's new. Everything outside of VIP. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.